Here's some physics of sound trivia. Subscribe. What phenomenon describes the decrease in sound intensity over distance? Is it A, sound refraction, B, sound attenuation, C, sound amplification, or D, sound reflection? The correct answer is B, sound attenuation. Which unit measures the frequency of sound? Is it A, amperes, B, hertz, C, joules, or D, decibels? The correct answer is B, hertz. What type of wave is a sound wave? Is it A, transverse wave, B, electromagnetic wave, C, mechanical wave, or D, radio wave? The correct answer is C, mechanical wave. What type of sounds are below the human hearing range? Is it A, ultrasound, B, echolocation, C, infrasound, or D, audible sound? The correct answer is C, infrasound. Which instrument measures sound levels? Is it A, tuner, B, harmonica, C, bass drum, or D, decibel meter? The correct answer is D, decibel meter. What term describes the highest frequency humans can hear? Is it A, sonic boom, B, hypersound, C, infrasound, or D, ultrasound? The correct answer is D, ultrasound. What is the term for sound waves bouncing off surfaces? Is it A, reflection, B, diffraction, C, refraction, or D, absorption? The correct answer is A, reflection. What describes the change in pitch due to relative motion? Is it A, wave interference, B, acoustic resonance, C, frequency modulation, or D, Doppler effect? The correct answer is D, Doppler effect. What phenomenon occurs when sound waves bend around an obstacle? Is it A, diffraction, B, dissonance, C, echo, or D, interference? The correct answer is A, diffraction. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.